Let's bring in Fundstrat head of research and CNBC contributor Tom Lee. Tom, were you getting nervous here with what the market was doing? I know you expected things to go a lot better for the major indices this year.
Yeah, John, I was getting very nervous. I think the biggest sign was I was going to bed every night, checking futures, reading everything, and wondering if the market would open limit down. So I was getting very nervous. But of course, now this is a really big positive fundamental development.
So why aren't you still nervous, given the velocity at which things continue to change? How do you find signal in the noise? How encouraging is it that after saying that they weren't going to negotiate, the administration is now negotiating? After saying they weren't watching Wall Street's reaction, they really do seem to have been watching the market?
Yeah, I'm going to have to make some guesses here, but I think one of the positives is that I think the White House exercised the Navarro put, meaning they are now inserting Bessent more into the negotiating process, which I think is less of a hardline view. When I look at what this means for the next few months, I do think because of the tariffs and they've been dialed down, companies now have what's effectively probation. So if they cut guidance or they don't show guidance, markets can look through it because they know it's an adjustment process. So I think it's taking the pressure valve of investors panicking on earnings. I also think it's been really good news to see Tesla rally because, it's been our view that Tesla's more or less the exhibit A for what kind of bounce can ensue, because remember, Tesla got hit the hardest first, and actually it's been holding some important levels. And then I think there are things really, as we look towards the next few quarters or a few months, to be positive about, because there is the tax deal. And, at the end of the day, there was a lot of technical damage, but a lot got repaired. So, I do think this was an important day.